What's going on? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel regarding online certification courses. Allow me to break down these courses and what they consist of. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Let's get started. Base44 is an AI-powered platform for building custom applications without needing to write code. Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting world where your ideas can come to life without the need for coding skills. Imagine having the power to build custom applications tailored to your unique needs. All thanks to Base44, an AI-powered platform designed for everyone from aspiring entrepreneurs to established businesses. Are you a non-technical founder with a brilliant idea but unsure how to bring it to fruition? Base44 is here to help you quickly create and test minimum viable products or MVPs. You can gather valuable market feedback and potentially attract investors, all while focusing on what truly matters, your vision for small business owners. The platform offers a fantastic opportunity to streamline operations. Whether you need custom tools for managing customer relationships or inventory, Base44 empowers you to create solutions that can reduce costs and enhance efficiency. Imagine having the ability to tailor your processes to fit your specific needs. And let's not forget about the citizen developers among us, those employees in HR, marketing, or finance who have great ideas but lack formal programming training. With Base44, you can develop applications that address the unique challenges in your department, allowing your IT team to focus on more complex projects. It's a win-win. For larger companies, Base44 serves as a powerful tool for rapid prototyping. You can automate internal workflows and build customer-facing applications faster than traditional development methods allow. This agility can give your organization a competitive edge in today's fast-paced market. So, whether you're an entrepreneur, a small business owner, or part of a larger organization, Base44 opens up a world of possibilities. Embrace the future of application development and let your creativity shine. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. I also have a website up and running, which is also Markie Williams online certification courses. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any trending certification courses you may want to pick up, and comment below done and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails as well that's floating around right here, and always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams and I will see you in the future.